Hey, what's up YouTube? Christine with Gauge Girl Training here. In today's video, we're going to answer the question, what's better, protein shakes or real food? Let's get to the heart of the matter and figure out what the deal is here. So let's get started. I get this question all the time. Is it bad to drink protein shakes all the time and not have real whole food? And the answer may surprise you. And depending on the quality of your protein powder, a protein shake can actually be better than real whole food. And that's under the circumstances that the protein shake is using a whey isolate, which is a complete protein, which means it's going to have all of the amino acids present in that shake, as opposed to certain protein shakes that don't have all of them. So what's an example of that? One that does not include whey protein isolate. So if it is a plant-based protein, a pea protein, yes, it'll have some protein in it, but it's not going to be a complete protein. The thing is, protein powders, they are a convenient and economical way to hit your macros on a daily basis without having to cook. So that's a good thing, and I don't see any problem with that. The only problem is there's times when real whole food can be a better option, and I would say if you're getting so caught up in an on-the-go mentality all the time that you don't slow down ever sit down and make yourself just a nice home-cooked meal, and just the thought of nourishment and intention, which I think is quite important actually. But the thing is, protein shakes can become unhealthy if they have lots of additives, lots of junk, lots and lots of ingredients in there. And if your protein shake, if you start adding your nut butter and your fruit and your this and your that, before you know it, if you're not careful, what was supposed to be 110 calories, 25 grams of protein, 1 gram of fat, 0 carb shake turns into something upwards of 600 calories, which can happen really fast, especially if you're getting anything from any sort of smoothie bar. You know they're going to put tons of carbs in it. So if you're not tracking your macros, be careful, because all of that fruit, all of those nut butters, flax, chia, milk, all that kind of stuff, it will add up. But the thing is a protein shake better than real whole food? The answer is no. Is it bad? No, it's not. So the choice is yours. If you are going to go for a protein supplement as opposed to real whole food, which is nice sometimes if you don't want to be eating lots of meat, especially like late at night and you still have protein macros to go, shakes are awesome. But just make sure you find a shake with minimal ingredients. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.